So today, guys, we are going to tackle this brand new 2024 Cacti 3LT Z51. The client brought it to us from Indiana. We're gonna take it apart today, put our label titanium exhaust on it. Justin's gonna give me a hand lowering the coilovers. And also we have a set of Vossen wheels that we're gonna show you as we mount them that I think are really gonna pop on this color. So I think there's nothing left to do this morning other than just get started taking this rear bumper off and getting this stock, boring sounding exhaust off the car. Stay tuned, guys. Grizzle. What was he doing?
I'm still in training, dude.
All right, guys, so as you can see, we've got the factory exhaust off the car. We have the rear of the trunk taken out. We also have the car lowered. Justin was able to adjust the coils for the client. And we've got the wheels and tires mounted and balanced on this particular car. So like I told you in the intro, this cacti color I think will complement this bronze that the client wanted pretty well. Vossen also has a new hybrid forged cap that has carbon fiber in it, making it more like the true forged wheels. Again, these are they're called radial forged, but it's essentially a high-end cast wheel. So this is an affordable option for those guys that don't want to run a full forged wheel, about half the price when you do a wheel and tire package. And then to fasten these on, Vossen also has their own aluminum lug nuts for each application. So we're going to use these. These are the M14 1.5s. Have the V logo on there, really nice, and super lightweight. So we're gonna get these on the car, and then we'll get the exhaust out and get working on that. And there we go. That's essentially what she's gonna look like when we drop it down. The gold trim ring, an option that we went for, kind of pulls off the natural interior. I think once it's down and everything, you see it all together, it'll all make sense. Obviously this is a little out of the box, but I think this color combo is gonna look slick, and it's gonna give the customer a much more unique custom look to the car. We are installing our non-valved label Motorsports titanium full exhaust, really cool plate. We also have our QR code, so in the future somebody scans it, takes it right to the website. But we're going to install this system on this C8 today. We've got the Paragon code eliminators in there, so valves aren't a problem. And then we're going to have these really nice full titanium quad tips coming out the factory diffuser. So I'm going to get this bolted in today and hopefully get the bumper back on and get it on the ground. And that's it, guys. Our Cacti C8 is done for our client in Indiana. I'm excited for him to make the trip back up and see the car for the first time. I know it's just broken in, so he hasn't driven it that much, but I think the colors that we chose on this kind of complemented that Cacti exterior, using those Vossen bronze wheels really pop, and also that gold in the center cap to kind of pull off that natural interior, I think looks good. Now on top of that, and lowering the car, throwing some tin on it, the biggest change I will say is probably in the factory exhaust tone and also the look from behind the car. That is our factory C8 titanium exhaust. This is the non-valved version. Most clients tend to lean that way because they don't really want it quieter. This system really came out nice. Fitment is always spot on. Also underneath, if you guys can see, it has our logo plaques and also our QR code where you can scan, go to the website, see your car on the website, which is pretty cool. But I think this client's going to be really excited to get this back. I think this is the first phase of his modifications. I think this would really look good with a carbon kit in that Cacti exterior and those bronze wheels. But before we let you go and sign off of this episode, of course, you probably want to hear it. We hear a lot of people saying we're not giving enough sound clips. We just don't have the time to do it, but I'm going to start this one up, give it some revs, and hopefully you guys can hear what this sounds like. Hopefully that sound came out. It's a little windy today, but overall, great sound. No drone in the cabin, and it's not even been broken in. So once the client puts about 50 miles on it, start to develop more tone and really hear that titanium. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick little episode, and we'll see you on the next one.